thing we'll do is we're loading up side by side. We got our rack in the truck. We got our ramps out. We got them flipped into place on both sides, on both of them. First part is we measure up here at the top, and we measure down at the bottom, and they got to be the same. And then we measure our side by side so we know where the wheels are going to be on the rack. So we're going to align on both sides so we know where the wheels are going to go up. So you keep it straight the whole time and it's nowhere near scary. All right, first thing you need to do is make sure you're straight. You always want to have somebody help you get it straight. And then when you start to go up, you want to be in four-wheel drive. This Yamaha has diff lock, so I usually go four-wheel drive and diff lock. And you just take it nice and slow and easy. You already got your line on both sides so that when you're driving up, you keep your line the way you can see right on your driver's side. And you already know where your passenger side is because everything is straight. If you do it right, all you got to do is that. You don't have to be scared.